In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a frame in Figma. Frames are essential for organizing your designs, whether you're building screens, layouts, sections, or components, and they also define the boundaries for responsive behavior, exports, and prototyping. Start by opening the Figma design file where you want to work. Once you're inside your project, press the F key on your keyboard. This is the shortcut to activate the frame tool instantly. Your cursor will switch modes, and now you can click and drag anywhere on the canvas to draw a frame manually. If you prefer choosing a preset size instead of dragging, look at the right-hand panel after you've activated the frame tool. You'll see a drop-down labeled frame with a list of predefined sizes, including popular device screens, desktop dimensions, tablet layouts, and social media templates. Click the drop-down and select the size that matches your project needs. Once you choose a size, Figma will automatically generate a perfectly scaled frame on your canvas. You can move it, resize it, rename it, or start placing elements inside. Frames help you stay organized, ensure your layout matches device dimensions, and prepare your design for prototyping later. And that's all it takes. Open your file, press F, choose your size, and start designing inside your new frame.